Hey everybody, it's Roger here. So I'm continuing my Amtrak Grand American Tour, and I've arrived at this spot that is, well, it's honestly a bit intimidating. I'm walking down this long, sloped pathway, and as I get deeper, the walls start rising up around me. Right ahead, that's a 340-ton boulder. As I get closer, the pressure, the sheer weight of it hanging there, gives you this intense sense of heaviness. It's a total rush. But then, the second you pass under it, you realize you're safe. And you get this amazing feeling of relief. It's incredible. I enjoyed that so much, I just had to turn around and do it all over again. Walking back from west to east gives you a completely different perspective. You see the jagged edges of the rock against the clean lines of the concrete. Again, as I approach that center point, that heavy feeling comes right back. It's like the air gets thicker. I don't think I could ever get tired of this walk. Where am I? What is this installation called? If you think you've got it, leave a comment below. I'll be revealing the location and the story behind it in a couple of days. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the reveal. Now, I wanted to see how this thing was actually built, so I climbed up along the parapet wall. From up here, you can see the reveal of the structure, how this massive stone is actually notched into the walls. And check this out. I'm going to point the camera straight down from the edge of the boulder into the pathway below. Look at that height. It really puts the scale of this engineering marvel into perspective when you see the tiny people walking underneath where I just was. I'm gonna leave you with this still shot I took. Look at that angle. It literally looks like the rock is levitating in midair. It's dramatic, it's surreal, and it's one of the coolest things I've seen on this tour so far.